An Indian origin man living in the United States is getting a lot of attention online after he shared how moving to America changed his life, while he still says that he loves India deeply. Hi, this is Navya Bal and you are watching TimesXP. In a post that has now gone viral, Venu explained that going to United States was a rare chance that completely changed his life and his future. He said the move opened doors that he never expected to help him grow in the ways he couldn't imagine before. Venu wrote that in the United States, people who work hard, stay disciplined, and do not give up often get rewarded. According to him, if you are ready to put in all the effort, take risk, and stay patient, you actually get a real chance for an improved life. He also made it very clear that his success does not mean that he has forgotten India. I love India and I always will, he said. But according to him, coming to the United States actually changed the direction of his entire life. That message connected with many people, especially Indians living abroad. Many shared similar experiences and said the US gives strong exposure in schools, careers, business, where students are encouraged to think independently and then initiate their actions. But there is another side to the story. Venu also said that many people criticize the United States without ever living outside their own country. He explained that once you live in the different part of the world, you better understand how different systems work and how rare certain opportunities can be. Well, he even said that being born in the United States or getting a chance to build a life there is a big advantage. This opinion has created debate online. Some people agreed and said that America offers many chances to grow, while others reminded everyone that living abroad is not easy. People miss their families, face visa stress, and struggle to adjust in a new culture. What makes this story important is that it shows something many immigrants feel. You can be grateful to one country and still love your homeland. This is not about chasing lines between India and America. It's about how opportunities, education, and the system can shape a person's future completely. So, there's a question for you. Do you think success depends on how and where you live, or how hard you work? Tell us what you think in the comments.